I'm Jaramillo.
And I'm Nicolas Lopez.
Today we're going to talk about the lab that we had the last Thursday. We saw many animals like
Mammals, reptiles, amphibians, and fishes. That they had a specific order. The first one were the fishes, then the reptiles, and then were the amphibians, and last one the mammals. Well, in the group of fishes were a little shark, a fish, an axolotl, and an eel. Then in the reptiles, just a turtle.
In the amphibians, there was one frog and one toad. But in the mammals, there was one rat mouse. That mouse, something that made it special, that it was pregnant. And the other mammal was a pig. All the animals, excepting of the turtle, because the turtle has a very hard shield. The teacher Parra told us that the shell of the turtles was like a specialized or evolutioned some ribs. So that's one of the important facts in that Parra told us. That most of the animals inside the body, in the digestive, circulatory, and other system, were very close to each other. They were very similar in the systems. Similar, yes, they were similar. Another fact, Mr. Lopez, please.
Some animals were already open, like the axolotl and the toad, the frog, and I don't remember more. As my friend said, they were very similar in the systems. In the toad, we could see with a special thing the arteries and the veins. The arteries were blue, the veins red, and all the circulatory system inside them.
Basically, the animals were in order of evolution. The more from the animal that has lowest evolution, and from the one that has evolutioned more. So we could see more. So from left to right, the left were more inefficient, and the ones in the right were more efficient, because in the way of going to the right to see the animals, we could saw how the animal here. Nicolas Lopez is gonna tell you how we're more efficient, like in the arteries, I don't know, in the systems, in the way of.
Okay. And some evolutionary things that we could see when we open or that the position of each organ in the body, like in the agnata, that each organ were more in nasal spaces when we open. But in the frog, the organs were more like in a group, and always the frog is big. That was so disgusting, but we could see some details, the interesting details that can help us to understand it.
In the term of evolution, we can have many examples of evolution that we have learned in science class. For example, the specialized teeth, also the claws of the eagles. Yes. So
in the case of the specialized teeth, more plain to like eat the vegetables or the leaves of the trees. And in the carnivores, the specialized teeth are like more pointed to eat the meat of the humans, animals, or whatever. Depending of the herbivores or carnivores, their digestive system are different. But the carnivores have 4 different teeth in a specific order. First, the molar, second, the premolar, third, the canines, and the last one are the incisives.
now, before anything and before nothing, we would like to share you some details or some facts that my tocayo, Diego Para, teach us. So now we're gonna tell you our personal opinions of this work, of this everything, of this bimester, the podcast, everything.
Well, my personal opinion, the first one and the most important is that's what's so disgusting. The second one, also that was interesting because that helped us to understand more the evolution to meet the organs we have inside us. And in the rat, first time of my life that I see a fetus, because the rat was pregnant. So
Yes, my personal opinion is that my personal opinion is that I think this process in the laboratory was very interesting. The animals, it was very cool to have those animals in the lab, but so I think it was very cool to have these animals very nice and very good because we learned how they were systematic, the system, how they were inside the body, all those things. I like them very much, but it was very disgusting. Matic, I like it how we saw the systems very close, all the. But I think the experience of learning about these evolutionary moments about the first animals in Earth and all the things I have liked this term because it's very nice how the animals have developed in the years, and I like how many diverse animals are in the world. It's very nice to see the differences. It's very cool. I like it. I like it how they show the adaptations. Hello, but like I'm gonna introduce you Sebastian Portilla, the man from the camera. He's gonna tell you what his experience in the lab, what he thinks of the first bimester and second bimester science class and the podcast. Everything.
Okay, my personal opinion about the lab is when we start, it's so disgusting.
He was going to.
Yes, exactly. But the teacher passed me to open the rat, and is
Very disgusting.
yes.
But he wanted to die.
Yes. Okay, the science class. The science class is very fine.
Very good.
Very good, yes. Because You learn so much about science and evolution, and you pass a very happy moment.
A very happy time in the
yes,
class.
Yes, correct. Their podcasts are very fine and all good.
It's very good, he said.
Because you report your experience about all the labs that you do in the year.
You think?
Contains a lot of fluids within. Alright? So axolotl, or this animal, will have the same organs, actually, the same organs that all other animals we have seen so far have. And let me try to open it properly. Yeah. Helps. No. Let's play from her grade.
Bien por Sofía. Por Sofía, pide. Dime. Por Portugal, por Sofía. No, Francisco, no puede poner su nota. Francisco, por Portugal.
¿Por qué el cerdo tiene esa piel así de
Porque le quitan la piel.